Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to get ERASER tool on TradingView. Ensure you're logged into your TradingView account. On the left side of your screen, you should see a vertical toolbar with various drawing tools. At the bottom of the toolbar, you'll see an icon resembling a pencil or other drawing tool. Right-click on this drawing tool icon. After right-clicking, select the ERASER tool from the drop-down menu. Now you can click on the drawings, lines, and the chart that you want to erase. Simply click and drag to remove the objects. If you prefer a shortcut, press Alt+E to activate your ERASER tool quickly. This tool will help you remove any drawing lines or annotations that you no longer need on your chart. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.